Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can glitch an item in Heartopia. So for instance, I want this to be glitched here. If I place it like here, obviously I can't do that. So what we're gonna do is we're actually going to select the one that we want, not the one we wanted to overlap with this. I don't know if that made sense. Not the item that we want to overlap, but just the base item. And we're going to go to the advanced build mode first. I don't think you can do it in like blueprint though. And then we're just going to like place it like out of bounds, like here, for instance. Long press the check mark and then go up here and spam click it until it looks like this. Then we're going to move this just to the left side, or where the item was. I actually don't remember where it was. So we're just going to see where it is. And then basically you're going to then complete it and go back to the area, and hopefully this works. I actually don't know if this works. But let's see. This is on PC, by the way. I forgot to mention that. Why am I nervous? I don't know. Oh, it's taking a long time to load. Did it work? It worked! No way! And now it overlapped. Wow. And that is how you can overlap items in Heartopia. It's very glitchy though. Obviously, use like a better, not a better method, but like a better items. If you want me to show it to you guys again, I can, but that's the end of the video. Oops, sorry. I hope it was helpful for you guys. I hope you understood that. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.